Distinguished members, ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to share some opening remarks for the financial year 24-25 for the annual general meeting of the Indian Institute of Public Administration. It's my proud privilege here today that I am sharing something about IIPA, but before we commence the details, let me remember few moments, some individuals who made it happen and who helped us to deliver all that we could during the year under report. FY25 has been unique in more than one ways. I got a unique privilege to meet and greet Honorable Vice President of India and President Indian Institute of Public Administration. This year has been exceptional for us as IIPA celebrated its 71st Founders Day in the august presence of Honorable Union Minister and Chairman of IIPA, Dr. Jitendra Singh, and Sri Srinivas Bhogunti, the Secretary, Department of Administrative Reform and Public Grievances, Government of India. We at IIPA, along with group of officers of Orissa Administrative Service who were undergoing training at IIPA, had a unique privilege to make a courtesy call to Honorable President of India. I also got a special privilege to meet and greet Sri Rajiv Gauba, Cabinet Secretary, Government of India, and share a copy of Administrative History of India since independence. We were equally glad to welcome Dr. Chandrasekhar Kumar, Secretary, Ministry of Minority Affairs. I am happy to report that Dr. Ambedkar Chair in Social Justice, IIPA, celebrated women's achievers through an event, Women-Led Development, a key pillar of Viksit Bharat. Srimati Mamata Kumari, Honorable Member, National Commission for Women, was the keynote speaker. The year under report has been very eventful and fundamental year for IIPA in many ways. IIPA successfully completed 24 research projects and conducted 162 training programs for over 9,000 plus officers of state government, Government of India, including foreign nationals. Under the guidance of Honorable Minister DOPT and Chairman IIPA, Dr. Jitendra Singh, we extended our outreach to even private sector. We trained senior officers from Tata Motors and Maruti Udyog, and we also conducted workshop and seminar on public policy for employees of central public sector undertakings. A number of mid-career training programs were organized for officers of ITS, CPWD, and various central ministries and departments. We also partnered with institutions of Ministry of Home Affairs, DOPT, Niti Aayog, ESIC, CBSE, DST, and many others, and conducted tailored program for their officials. On the research front, we conducted key evaluation of and impact studies of various programs of government, including land records and BPR&D restructuring. Our report on National Supercomputing Mission and CSR project was also appreciated. We also undertook women's safety audits in cities such as Agra, Gurugram, Agartala, and many more cities. Under the guidance of Honorable Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, IIPA expanded its outreach even beyond Delhi. We collaborated with other training and academic institutions across India and even across the globe. We signed Memorandum of Understanding with eminent national as well as foreign institutions. To name a few, O.P. Jindal University, Arun Jaitley National Institute of Financial Management, National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, and National Academy of Governance, Mongolia, Ho Chi Minh National Academy of Politics, Vietnam, and ENSA, Morocco. The Mission Karmayogi resonated with our IIPA's training and work culture. We integrated ourselves completely with Mission Karmayogi. IIPA is now a leading institution and content provider, including digital learning material on iGOT platform. We even prepared course for our own LMS on Moodle for benefit of training in different programs. This is indeed a great achievement of our faculty who quickly adapted to digital tools and techniques. IIPA conducted a meeting with its regional and local branches at IIPA, and we also launched our membership drive and invited applications from all regional and local branches. In the year under report, IIPA inducted 141 life members, 7 associate members, and 1 corporate members, including 23 student members. Our Karnataka regional branch, in collaboration with Christ University, Bengaluru, organized a conference on contemporary trends and approaches in public policy and public administration. Our Jammu and Kashmir regional branch also organized Sri Ram Sahai Memorial Lectures, where Dr. Arun Manhas, Director of Industries and Commerce, Government of Jammu and Kashmir, spoke on benefits of industrialization under the new central sector schemes. As you are aware, the core activities of IIPA include training and capacity building, online and offline, hybrid and blended. We also do a lot of operational research on various public policies of central government and state government. We evaluate local and national level programs, including programs like National Women Commission, Mission Shakti, and many other such programs. We also disseminate knowledge and exchange through our publication. There is saying that tell me and I forget, teach me and I may remember, involve me and I learn. The 50th Advanced Professional Program in Public Administration, IIPA, started on 1st July and it was inaugurated by Honorable Minister and Chairman IIPA, Dr. Jitendra Singh. The IIPA participants also had the privilege of meeting Honorable Vice President Sri Jagdeep Dhankarji at Uprashtrapati Niwas and were blessed with officers of Defence Forces, including CDS and Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, PBSM, ABSM, Naval Chief, Sri Upen Dwivedi, PBSM, ABSM Chief of Defence Staff, and also got the privilege of listening to Dr. Kiran Bedi, former Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry and a life member of IIPA. We organized 162 training programs during the year under report. IIPA conducted 44 training programs for officers of state government and 3494 officers of Bihar, Gujarat, Odisha, Mizoram, Maharashtra and other states were trained at IIPA. We also conducted aspirational block program for Niti Aayog and ABF fellows were trained at IIPA. We are happy to associate IIPA at the grassroots institution, including aspirational blocks. Delegation of Bavarian Parliament members, Germany, who visited IIPA. An international training program for district judiciary, including district judges and high court staff, was also done by IIPA, collaboration with Law Society of Singapore. We also trained officers of Central Tibetan administrative officers in IIPA premises. IIPA and faculty conducted several research projects. Some of them are like impact study of effectiveness of Real Estate Regulatory Act on home buyers in India, DISA project, web portal development for monitoring and evaluation of legal literacy and legal awareness program of Department of Justice, challenges and prospects of sustainable development for members of SC and PBTG with Social Justice Department, and many more. The first ever National Conference on Case Studies competition for the year 2024 was organized by IIPA, Dr. Prakash Singh, Professor Finance and Accounting, IIM Lucknow, Dr. Ravi Kumar Jain, Director Professor Finance and Strategy, Spurs Global Business School, and Dr. Amarjit Kaur, Professor Accounting, Dean Faculty of Commerce and Management, attended the program. This year also we released Bharat Journal of Case Studies as a result of good case studies collated out of these and such workshops. We also participated in cyber security initiatives of Ministry of Home Affairs. IIP is proud of its publication. A number of impactful publications were released for our viewers and our listeners. We continue to publish Nagar Lok, including Swachhata circulation details. We also published Indian Journal of Public Administration. We also published special papers like Fourth Industrial Revolution in Urban Governance. Our publication Antyodaya se Sarvodaya, a framework of universal fulfillment, edited by faculty of IIP, was also appreciated. Excellence in Administration, which was based on the feedback of IIPA participants, including their chronicle, was also released. The new IIPA Bhavan was inaugurated by Honorable Minister, including release of few publications. The People-Centric Governance, an Indian Perspective, was also released on the said occasion. IIPA is proud of its library, including digital repository. We added more books and subscribed to various journals. Over 4,400 books were added to the library. The financial details of IIPA are already published in our annual report. The same is available for your viewing. Let me thank the Office of Honorable Vice President of India, Department of Personnel and Training, our faculty and life members, and other officers who helped us in achieving the goal set for us. I place it on record our gratitude and appreciation for the constant support provided by Office of Honorable Vice President of India, Office of Chairman IIPA of Executive Council. The Institute also thanks its office bearers of regional and local branches and faculty members and staff of Institute for their sincere effort in overall development of IIPA. We are grateful to all those within and outside IIPA who have assisted us and contributed to the success of our activities and becoming relevant for the people who trust us, who believe in us. Thanks a lot.